Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. It's Katsy and today I'm actually going to begin my dream item, the Magenta Furry. Okay, so anyway, this is the furry here, and yes, I'm just really going to freak out as soon as I just get this video. So this is the trade. Honestly, I know it's over concern the fact furries are going down, but I've been really wanting this for like years now. Here it goes. I'm starting to shake. Oh my gosh. Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, that goes to everyone who doesn't believe it's possible to get dream items. I'm really freaking out right now because I've wanted this forever and oh my gosh, I'm shaking. Oh my god. Alright, no, seriously, I am. It's just really hard to express it. So honestly, this has been my dream item like forever. It doesn't look like I'm really that happy right now, but I am. It's just really fun. And oh my gosh. A legit magenta fairy. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna be more excited in a bit, I promise you. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video, and bye.